Salom do'stlar. Salom do'stlar, bugun sizlar bilan DLC ya'ni Dream League o'yinini o'ynaymiz. Do'stlar, sizlarga qanday qilib sariq akkaunt qilishni o'rgataman. Ya'ni o'zim qanday qilganimni aytaman, sizlarga ham shuni maslahat beraman. Mana do'stlar, hozirgi meni akkauntimning ahvoli, ya'ni sariq akkaunt. Rating 30. Do'stlar, sariq akkaunt qilish uchun birinchi navbatda pul yig'ish kerak bo'ladi. Ya'ni siz birinchi kirasizga bitta, ya'ni sariq eng birinchi o'tganingizda sizga sariq akkaunt o'zlari berishadi, ya'ni Dream League'ga. Keyin siz nima qilasiz? Bonuslarda o'ynaysiz. Ya'ni mana bu yerga kirasiz. Mana bu yerga kirasiz. Bu yerdan mana aytib turadi, misol uchun ikkinchisiga kiramiz. Weekly. Va bu yerdan nimalar qilsak shuncha berishni aytadi. Misol uchun mana bu yerga qilib qarasangiz do'stlar, kechirasizlar. Mana bu yerga qilib qarasak do'stlar, mana. Ya'ni Dream League onlayn o'yinda 15 marta yutsam 50 ta olmos, 300 ta prize alert beradi. Keyin yana do'stlar, mana bu uchinchisiga o'tkazsak, bular olmoslar olish. Olmoslar olishcha mana aytib qo'ygan, o'qib olsangizlar bo'ladi. Misol uchun kubok olsak, misol uchun kubokda 3-raundga bor deyapti. Hozir men 2-raunddaman, yana 3-raundda ham kubok olsam menga 10 ta olmos beradi. Yana 20 ta gol ursam do'stlar, ya'ni hozir yangi olganman, hozir yangi ochilgan, menga 1 kun bo'ldi menimcha, yoki 1 kun bo'ldimi menimcha. Buni yerdan olmos olgandim. Yana 11 ta gol ursam, men eng pastga qarasanglar, 11 ta gol ursam menga 10 ta olmos beradi. Mana shartlarga qarab olsak bo'ladi. Yana eng oxiriga o'tkazamiz. Mana bu yerda onlayn o'yinlarda g'alaba qozonsangiz qancha beradi? Mana eng pastga qarasangiz 150 ga g'alabaga 175 olmos beradi. Bu juda zo'r ko'rsatkich. Men bir marta olganman shundan do'stlar. Xo'p, takshda do'stlar, endi keyinchalik transferga kirasizlar va o'zingiz olmoqchi bo'lgan futbolchini, misol uchun Martinez chiqibdi menga, lekin Martinezni qulamayman, lekin chunki menga yetarli hozircha Rodrigoni olishim kerak do'stlar. Rodrigo qulab qo'yganman. Qanday qulflaysiz? Agar ko'pchilik bilish kerak, endi bilmaganlar uchun futbolchi mana agar hozir yangilangan DLC'da 7 kun 50 olmos bilan qulab qo'yish mumkin. Oldinlari 2 kun edi. Hozir 7 kunga chiqqan. Xo'p do'stlar, keyin mana bu Dream Start, ya'ni pushta akkauntlarni ham olish yo'li mana bu do'stlar, mana. Mana shu yerdan olib bonuslarni olasiz. Ya'ni bunda 400 dan berasiz, ya'ni 20 bitta olishingiz kerak. Har biriga 400 dan. Va bu Season Pass. Mana shundan olishingiz kerak do'stlar. Eng oxiriga borib olsangiz Dream akkaunt beradi, ya'ni pushta akkaunt. Keyin mana buni ham yig'ish kerak do'stlar, pre-round. Bu juda muhim. Buni 62 tada yangi mana shu 4 personajdan bitta qoralar, bular qora akkaunt. Mana shulardan bittasini olasiz yoki xohlasangiz hammasini olasiz, faqat eplay olsangiz. Ya'ni bunda prizelar yig'ish kerak. Buning uchun o'yinlarda juda zo'r natija ko'rsatish kerak va mana bu yerda berilgan shartlarni bajarish kerak. Endi do'stlar, bir partiya o'ynaymiz. Sizlarga qanday o'ynashimni ham ko'rsatib o'taman. Boshladik. Keyingi videomizda do'stlar Minecraft o'ynaymiz, yana keyin DLC'ga ham qaytamiz. Kuchsiz komanda keldi do'stlar. Do'stlar, kanalimga obuna bo'lib qo'yinglar do'stlar. Bundan keyin zo'r videolar chiqadi.
And this is the 11 unveiled by the home team.
Meni akkauntim
They're going 4-2-3-1. This formation.
Oyun başlandı dostlar.
Moving it nicely. Oh, well intercepted.
Bunları da bakıyor.
Son Heung-min. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is a beat. Took his chance. Look at the confidence that's given him. And the team. And they held on to the lead. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net.
Zor uslubda o'tkazdi. Davom etamiz do'stlar. Hozircha birinlar.
Oh, that's well played.
Yamal olmadi. Aytamiz.
He's taking the ball out wide.
Son oldu. Lewandowski.
He's got the ball and is in full sprint.
Lewandowski bilasizlar reyting.
Great run by Lewandowski. Fancies his chances from here. Good save. It was heading goalwards.
Oyoqlari qirib turamiz. Boshlanadi.
Got that ball wrong. Is this a goal? Oh, it's gone in. And that goal takes him to 10 in the league.
Keyingi safar online o'ynaymiz do'stlar. Ya'ni online o'yin o'ynab
Picked
turamiz.
his spot and the goal was never in doubt.
Lewandowski. Bitta uzoq masofadan
Good ball
gol
control.
Men gol urishga kiraman.
Oh, that's a poor pass.
Out. Yamaldan. Kamavinga.
Camavinga with a tackle.
Oh, yiqitdim deb o'ylab.
It's whipped into the box.
Bosh bilan
Oh, we got that cross all wrong.
Marmush. Havodan.
Some really fluid passing on display. He failed to connect with that tackle. Oh, determined challenge there. He slid for the ball, but missed. And that cross missed its target.
Marmush uzoqdan chiqarib beradi.
He's confident on the ball. Great dribbling. What an opportunity. Good goalkeeping. He needed to be alert. Good interception. Wins the ball. Careless pass there. What a chance. What a goal. Fantastic stuff. Great goal there. He'll be hoping to add more to his tally now.
Gördüğünüz do'stlar,
Let's
zo'r
take
bo'ldi.
another look at it. Some great teamwork
Uzoq
set up
masofadan,
that
ya'ni
goal.
uzoq masofani o'zlari ko'rsatgan. 22-23 metrdan keyin, 24 metr. Zarba tezligi soatiga 63. Birinchi taym lekin hisob
Well, that's it for the
3-0.
first.
Ikkinchi taymni boshlaymiz.
He loves to run with
Ro'zda
the
kuchsiz
ball.
komanda chiqdi do'stlar.
Tries his luck from distance.
Yeah.
Absolutely
Marvin.
brilliant goal. That goal, his second of the match.
Juda uzoq masofa.
Let's see the build-up which led to the goal.
O'tsa deb turganda 29 chiqdi. Havodan uchib borib o'zi ham qiladi. Do'stlar, hozircha men DLC'da Messini sotib olmoqchiman.
Makes the pass.
Messi yo Ronaldo lekin chiqmayapti.
Son Heung-min. He's in control.
Marmush.
He has a crack from distance.
Sizlar
He
bor.
didn't trouble the keeper. And he's won it back for his team.
Lewandowski'ni endi
He's
ko'ramiz.
running at the opposition.
Orqaroq qaytib endi zarba.
Here's Lewandowski.
Oh,
That sailed wide of the goal. So this player will come off and a new one will take to the pitch. finds his teammate. Moving the ball forward.
Gundogan.
He jumps
Arnold.
forward with the ball.
Yamal.
Will he go for glory?
Lewandowski.
Great run by Lewandowski.
Yiqitishdi Jinners.
Oh, that pass could have been better. Poor attempt to win the ball. Surely now.
Ajoyib Marmush.
Messing about
Hat-trick.
there, clean finish. And that's his hat-trick. He's going home with the match ball. Let's take a
Omar
closer look at that
Marmush.
goal now. Here's Weimann. Completed the pass. He misjudged the pass. He got that all wrong. That's a terrible tackle. He'll feel that in the morning. The sub is coming on to replace the injured player. Oh, that's a poor pass. Lewandowski now. Great reflexes. He reacted to that long distance shot. Well cut out. He's darting forward. He shoots. And Bellingham scores.
Jude Bellingham.
Right behind that. Gave the goalkeeper no chance at all. This player really knows how to hit them from distance. Class goal.
Zo'r gol bo'ldi. Mana o'yin ham tugadi do'stlar. Tugamabdi. Yamal. Hoppa.
Misplaced pass. Oh, there's activity on the bench. Likely to see some fresh legs introduced shortly. Fantastic game here. The standard of play was excellent. Let's hope the next time these teams meet, it'll be equally exciting.
O'yin qahramoni Marmush. 10 ballik sistemadan 3 gol, 1 assist. Ajoyib hisob 6-0. Mana bizlar mana shuni olib, agar 21-siga borsangiz. Xo'p do'stlar. Bugungi videom sizlardan iborat. Keyingi videoda Minecraft o'ynaymiz. Shuning uchun do'stlar, obuna va like tugmalarini bosib qo'ying va bizni kuzatishda davom eting. Biz endigina o'z ijodimizni boshladik do'stlar. Hammaga omad tilayman. Keyingi videolarda ko'rishguncha.